Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox cucumber ginger lemon mint juice. This is a perfect drink for the summers, and for this, I'm going to take 1 cup of cucumbers nicely diced. We will then top this up with some ginger, which is best for digestion. We add it after chopping it well. We then top this up with some salt. We add some pepper. To make this juice all refreshing, we will then add some mint leaves on top of this. Ensure that these mint leaves are nicely washed and cleaned. We then provide this juice with some tangy taste by adding some lemon juice. Lemon juice is also a rich source of vitamin C. We add water enough to submerge all of these vegetables and fruits and add 2 cubes of ice to make it as refreshing as possible. It is now time to grind this well. This is how the ground juice looks. We run it through a sieve so that all hard particles are taken off. We will then add honey to this, which is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. Our 100% detox juice is now ready to be had.